Hello, and a very warm welcome. As a hotelier, I've spent my career focused on performance, growth, and the very best of modern hospitality. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome all students of Europe Hotel School to this online learning journey. We are so delighted to have you with us.
This program, well, it's designed for you, for hospitality students and professionals who really want to build strong, practical knowledge that aligns with real hotel operations. Our goal is to give you a high-quality education guided by real industry experience. So let's dive in.
All right, so let's talk about a tool that is really changing our world, artificial intelligence. But here's the thing, using it effectively in a luxury hotel setting isn't quite so simple. To really understand the challenge, I want you to imagine you've just brought on a new intern. This quote, it just nails the problem perfectly, doesn't it? You've got this brilliant mind, a person who speaks every language, knows basically everything, but has zero experience inside your hotel. They don't know your standards, they don't know your guests. So what happens? Their answers are generic. And in our world, in the world of 7-star hospitality, generic is the one thing we can never be. So the big question is, how do you transform this brilliant, yet totally inexperienced intern into a world-class professional? Well, the answer lies in a simple, structured way of communicating. We call it the C.T.I.R method. And trust me, it's the key to turning AI from a blunt instrument into a precision tool for crafting those unforgettable guest experiences. So, what is C.T.I.R? It stands for context, task, instruction, and refine. I want you to think of this as the essential bridge between the raw, massive power of AI and the very specific, very nuanced needs of a luxury guest. Each of these letters is a crucial step in guiding the AI to give you work that meets our incredibly high standards. Okay, so let's get practical. We're going to break down these 4 pillars one by one. Really getting a handle on this process is what's going to set you apart as you build your career in this incredible industry. First up is C, for context. This is the background, the who, what, where. Are you a city center business hotel or a secluded beach resort? Is this for a first-time guest or a long-time regular? That all matters. Next, T is for task. This is where you get specific. Don't just say, write an email. Say, write a 3-paragraph welcome email. Be precise. Then we have I, for instruction. This is the secret sauce. Here you give the AI a persona. You say, act as the lead concierge at a 7-star palace hotel in Paris. Instantly, its tone, its vocabulary, it all changes. And finally, R is for refine. You know, the first draft is rarely perfect. This is where you step in. You polish it. You make it warmer, maybe a bit shorter, until it has that last 1% of quality that makes all the difference. Now, theory is one thing, but seeing this method in action, that's when the light bulb really goes on. So let's walk through a very common scenario, writing a welcome note for a VIP guest. Just look at the difference here. On the left, a weak, lazy prompt. Write a welcome note for an architect. The result? It's going to be bland, generic, totally forgettable. But now look at the right. We apply C.T.I.R. We provide context. This isn't just an architect. They are world-renowned. We define the task, a short, personal note. We give it an instruction. You're the general manager of a 7-star hotel, so your tone should be respectful and warm. And then we refine it with that beautiful, personalized detail. Mention the rare architecture book we placed in their room. I mean, the difference in the input alone is just night and day. And that, right there, is the magic. It stops being just a generic note and becomes a genuine piece of communication that truly honors your guest. It shows them that you see them, you understand their passion, and you've gone that extra mile just for them. This is what 7-Stars service is all about. And this brings me to a really crucial point about your future, about your role in this industry. With tools like this at your fingertips, you're not just a passive user of technology. You become something much, much more important. You are the curator. The AI, it can provide the raw material, the first draft, but it's your professional judgment, your experience, your human heart that shapes it into something truly exceptional. The C.T.I.R method is your steering wheel for sure, but you are always the one in the driver's seat, making that final call on whether it's good enough for your guest. At Europe Hotel School, our mission is to empower you with these future-ready skills. Mastering this isn't just about learning to use a new app. It's about learning to conduct a powerful digital instrument. It's what will allow you to deliver a level of personalized service at scale that was simply unimaginable just a few years ago. So, as you continue on your learning path and move into your careers, I want to leave you with this one question. This incredible tool is now in your hands. How will you use it to innovate, to elevate, and to completely redefine what 7-star service can be? Thank you so much for your time. We are honored to support you on your journey, and we wish you every success.